Recent research shows that 95% of cybersecurity breaches are caused by human error. Cybersecurity awareness training is generally focused on IT cybersecurity. We found a need for specific OT cybersecurity awareness training across critical infrastructure organizations. To address this need, we've created OT SAT, an OT security awareness training platform with a difference. It's designed by OT experts for OT engineers, users, IT staff, and corporate executives. OT personnel hold the keys to your organization's crown jewels. By providing targeted OT security awareness training to your employees and contractors, you can help better protect your OT environment and bridge the gap between cybersecurity and OT. Through outcome-based short and easily digestible videos, OT SAT covers a comprehensive range of modules covering OT cybersecurity awareness. Contact us now for a demo of OT SAT and how it can help uplift your OT security.